Big Jim's used helicopter sales. We got some hellacious deals for you today. Like right over here, we got you a Comanche for only the slim price of $3 million US. That's what I'm saying, $3 million US. This thing's seen conflict in Vietnam. Why, hell, you got a piece of history and a way to get to the grocery store. Come on down to Big Bob's used helicopters. We might even throw in a 6-pack of jet fuel. Come on down. Just remember, Big Bob's, Big Bob's, Big Bob!
Big Bob's used helicopter sales for all your chopper needs.